family, TE, stay financially free. Whatever the mind of man can see, believe it can achieve. Player set so free. How a God from that Z6 has so much persistent passion and power.
How y'all doing, family? It's your boy, Mr. TE. I got something special for you guys today. It's Black Friday. I got a special for you guys till Sunday, 55% off. Today, Saturday, and Sunday, but the offer expires Sunday at 12 p.m., guys. Everything 55% off, from consultation to paperwork to courses to coaching. Everything 55% off. If you bought something from us, that also comes with the 90-day Q&A, right? And it comes with the email coaching. You get 90 days of email coaching. So take advantage of this opportunity, guys. It will not last long. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. And in all that getting, get understanding, baby. Your boy, Mr. Transaction. Peace.